Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine with pineapple. Begin by sanitizing equipment, chopping pineapple, and measuring sugar and water for your target sweetness and volume. Add yeast nutrients and a reliable wine yeast, then aerate the must thoroughly. Keep the fermenting vessel in a stable temperature spot and record gravity readings to track progress and know when to rack and age. Start primary fermentation by combining pineapple, water, sugar, and yeast in a sanitized fermenter and seal with an airlock. Keep the must mildly warm and aerate well on day 1 to help yeast establish. Monitor bubbling and smell for any off odors indicating issues. Once bubbling slows and specific gravity drops noticeably, prepare to strain and transfer to a secondary vessel for settling and clarification. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for following recipes in the kitchen without splashing your phone, and the backlight makes late-night ferment monitoring easy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy the convenience while you taste test. Now let's get back to the video. After primary fermentation, carefully rack the pineapple wine off gross lees into a sanitized carboy to clarify and reduce bitterness. Taste and decide whether to sweeten, stabilize, or add fining agents before final aging. Store the carboy in a cool, dark area and rack again if sediment reforms. Patient aging helps fruit aromas integrate and tannins soften, producing a smoother pineapple wine ready for bottling when clear and well-balanced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.